Hey everybody, Malcolm here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. So when I first got into video editing, I started using a wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. And the first one I bought was just a $20 Logitech M310. I've had this mouse about 3 years now. And as you can see, the button's worn down. And just in the last week, it started to not hold the button when I've clicked it to drag or do anything like that. So I figured it's time to get a new mouse. Overall, for the money, this mouse has been really good for the last few years. One of the downsides of this mouse is it only works with the USB puck. Since I've got rid of my desktop and went to a laptop that only has 2 USB ports, having this and my keyboard plugged in, I had to use a hub. I'm on the go with the laptop. I still like to have my mouse, so I leave this plugged in. So it's one of the downsides to this mouse is that it uses this puck. This new Logitech mouse, the new MX Master 3 mouse, it uses either Bluetooth or it can use the puck. So either way, it'll work. Now I plan on using this with Bluetooth on my laptop, that way I won't have to worry about the puck any longer. The other key feature I really wanted in a new mouse was this wheel for your thumb. From what I've seen done, is this wheel will allow you to actually scroll your timeline left or right if you program it that way, as well as it has several programmable buttons that you can use shortcut keys in your editing software, program them to this mouse. So you have them right there on the mouse, your most common ones. Now I've paid $100 for this mouse, and that's a lot I think for a mouse, but I'm hoping it'll speed up my workflow and increase my productivity on the editing side of it. And I'm hoping I'll be able to give you guys a good review in the coming weeks as I test this thing out and try it out, find out what works for me on it, and I'll be able to share that with you. But today is just going to be a quick unboxing. Outer box case. The inner box is a little bit more sturdier, robust cardboard case with MX and Logitech on the front of it. So inside the box, we got the mouse. We have the little USB puck. There's this I don't know if you're going to see them here. These lines in the casing that fall through with the mouse. Lift the mouse out. Nice molded box for the mouse. And it looks like in the bottom of the box here we've got some literature and a USB charging cable. Overall, really nice robust box. Don't plan on using the puck, so I'm going to put that back in the box. Now on the box it advertised that it will charge on a USB-C quick charging. Quick charges in 1 minute for 3 hours of use. Full charge lasts up to 70 days. It's got a USB-C charge port on the cable. Actually, a nice cable with a Velcro wrap. So as you can see here, there on the back of the mouse, there's a cover, and it has an on-off switch that you can select either the USB puck or the Bluetooth device. Now, where I could see this might be beneficial is it may be possible if you have 2 computers, like say a desktop and a laptop, you might be able to switch between the 2 with one mouse. I don't know if I'll be able to test that. I only have the 1 computer, but I can see if I can dig up another laptop that maybe get turned on and test this theory in my review. It has this what they call easy switch, which I haven't researched this either yet. Showing 3 programmable computers, Bluetooth. So it looks like in addition to the puck, you can actually program up to 3 different computers with this mouse on 1, 2, and 3 channels. So it's flashing 1 at me right now after turning it on. It's got 4 nice slick pads for the control. USB-C charging port right here. All in all, it's a nice feeling mouse. Now the main thing I was interested in was this wheel right here, and this is the only one I could find that actually had the wheel on it. And this will allow me hopefully to control my timeline. I've got 2 buttons here that are programmable. I have a 3rd button up on top that's programmable. Your left and right click, and your normal thumb wheel. The thumb wheel has a detented spin to it, where the side wheel is smooth to its actuation. There is no detent or any space. It has a nice good feel, but no detenting. This is detented. This wheel also will spin extremely fast, where it almost frees up the detent and it's still spinning. It feels really high quality. See if you can hear it. Right, so that's my quick unboxing of the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. I'll have a review for you guys in the coming weeks when I start using this mouse, getting familiar with it, seeing how it actually works, and see if it improves my workflow any, and if it's actually justifiable for the $100. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.